Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. We're gonna help my brother out paint his brake calipers. It's IS300. You guys could check it out. They're officially right now color red. Y'all can see that. We're gonna paint them this color. Well, this is the only color we had right now. I know it ain't the perfect one, but we're gonna give it a try. And the type of clear coat we're gonna use is this one, just regular. This is how they look right now. I'm gonna show you a before and after. I'm gonna use this right here, all-purpose cleaner, and this wire brush. Just a quick brush, and let's see how it turns out.
Yeah, you're getting tired, huh?
Oh yeah.
You get some motivation?
I think so.
All right, let me pop out the brazzers.
What category? What category do you want?
Midgets?
Yeah. This is a midget size. Not even major.
Alright guys, so it turns out we ended up getting sandpaper.
Some 80 grit.
80 grit.
Cause this ain't doing the job. This looks like it is. Look at that.
We already prepared this as setup right now, so we're gonna see how it turns out. We didn't really sand all the way, but
Just have to be smooth, a little smooth.
yeah, a little bit of smoothness. I mean, we're gonna put a sticker here, so it doesn't really matter. So let's see how it turns out. So we're gonna use this for the primer.
It's not high heat, but I mean, hopefully it holds up.
Let's see how everything turns out though.
Hopefully
Hopefully
it can stick more.
everything is good. Come on, man. Spray
Right?
that shit. Spray.
Light coats.
Just let it dry. Like what? Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. And we do another coat, and then we send it with this shit. Hopefully it holds. And then we put the clear coat and see how it turns out.
Alright guys, so we put 3 coats of this primer. It's clear, by the way. There's 3 coats on there already. It's dry. Now it's time for the white high temperature. Y'all want to find this in your auto parts store. It's a code number. High heat, by the way.
So this is gonna be our second coat.
Second coat, guys. Where's Rudy? He went to bathroom.
Alright guys, we're gonna continue this tomorrow. It's already getting windy. This is how so far it's looking. Not that bad. It has been a week already that we haven't done really much because it has been cold. You get me? You can't paint when it's cold. But I mean, it was worth the wait. These stickers just came through. We got these on eBay. What, like $6? But the shipping was $7. But we're gonna continue painting these. barely did the first coat on this. I used this type of paint. Once again, I dropped 3 coats of this. It's clear primer, but it does the work though. So this is gonna be the second coat.
Fuck that puto. Fuck that puto. I haven't seen her.
So we're gonna do the back ones on, put the stencil. Let's see how this one turns out. So come on, let's do this.
They're black, by the way.
Not bad, not bad. And now we're gonna add some clear coat on top of it. Hopefully it stays more longer in there. So let's get it.
In here, right? In here? Yeah, in the back. You had one. Don't keep cutting.
So we're done. You just gotta put the other stencils on the front, but I'll show you that in a bit. But we put 3 times this type of clear coat. That way the shit will stay longer. So now we're gonna put the front ones, the stencils. So guys, this is how it turned out to be. Not that bad, not that bad. The back ones. Well, this is my brother's car, but I just helping him out. Next on his list is some rims, but who knows. But next video is gonna be polishing his whole car. You can see this shit, that fucker's dirty. Look at his carbon fiber hood. So guys, we're done with this video, so like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what you guys want to see. And there's gonna be more videos up about this car, which is my brother. He's over there. That's Adam. And my car, I'm just looking around what to get, so you never know what I get. It might be an Evil, Ford Lightning, I don't know. Stick around and find out. So peace.